What does passion mean to you?
I think I might not have a concrete answer for that.
I
It
think
it's
that's
doing
that's
something with a
why.
lot of no, I mean doing something with a lot of
Okay.
like fire in you, right? So I am passionate about baking.
Mm,
I love baking, but would I want to do baking
mm,
6, 8 hours every day? No.
yeah.
I
Like a
love
hobby.
playing the
You see it
piano.
as like
Yeah,
hobbies.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, and that's where passion is unique for the individual. Because for me, I want to my like end goal with life is to that's the whole mission of this podcast to align purpose, passions and live a life of peace at the end of the day. And I think you're living your purpose right now. You're it's it's a service to other people that has
Mm.
value. That's your purpose. Your passion is exactly what you said. It's that fire. But for me personally, it's an individual thing. For me, I want my purpose and passion to align so that I can be working and feel fired up while I'm providing a service of value to people, if that makes any sense.
Yeah, and to be honest, I feel if you want to use the term fired up about my work. Like I get up every morning and I'm excited about what I do.
So you are
So,
somewhat passionate about
yeah, if you want to say it, yeah, maybe.
it.
I
You
guess,
just
yeah.
don't like that word.
Could be, could be. I think it is, especially in the startup world and so on. Like, and I used to be a lot in the world, not so much anymore today. But a lot of people say, "Oh, do what you're passionate about," and I'm like, "Yeah," but you also don't really understand what that means because
Mm,
you might not like doing it as often then.
as like a work, as a job.
Hmm.
Yeah, I feel like that's another aspect. Like it's common with like artists. Like I just love to like people who just love to draw or any type of creative endeavor. But when once it becomes successful or once they start to monetize it and make it into a business, they start to not get passion. The passion starts to deplete.
Yeah, but for a lot of them, it has to do with money mindset and how they
Mm,
connect with art with money. So I would argue that that's more the reason why they don't enjoy it, because there's some beliefs about, how artists or why they should make money or why not they shouldn't make any money.
what do you think is a good belief for them to start believing?
My art is of immense value to anybody who engages with it, and they're willing to pay me lots of money for it.
Have you ever been on Princess Cruises? It's like a cruise line. Um, they they're like a cruise line that specializes in fine arts, I guess. And I went on one, and they had pieces. They were selling pieces for like 100k pieces, and people were bidding for them.
Yeah.
So I think if there's a market for it and you, I guess, brand yourself the right way and know your value. I mean, it's just like you see a Gucci white plain white tee versus a Gucci or versus a Hanes or a Walmart white tee. It's like that's the
Yeah.
difference when it comes to art. One is $500, the other one's $5.